Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to give you some tips how to survive if you don't have if you have a blackout, no electricity, and you need a light. So the best way is to use the lamp like this. This lamp works from USB and use power bank. So we are using Anker power bank. So now I will connect it. And switch on the lamp. Anyway, it's very, about the way like this to connect, but now we will check it how much it takes energy just for 1 hour. So now is 6 p.m. and 8 minutes and 91% of power bank. So we will come back after 1 hour and we'll check it. So 91%, and this is the light mode. See you in 1 hour. So after 1 hour we will check it. So look, the light is here and we will check percent. It's 90% still, so it remains 90%. So it means it took just 1% per hour. Of course, if we will switch on much higher, much brighter light, like this, it comes more, but it still be 90%. Look, so it's amazing thing. You can check this power bank. I don't want to do advertisement for this one. I just tell you how to use your power bank to make a light. It's switch off. Thank you friends for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.